Hello everyone, you are watching Unlimited Guide. In this video, step by step, I will guide you how to convert your Instagram personal account to your business, professional or creator account. So without wasting time, let's start it. First of all, click on your Instagram app, then click on your profile icon, click on settings, now click on account, now scroll down. Now you can see switch to professional account. Now simply click on switch to professional account. Continue all the instructions. Continue. Here provide which category you want to create professional account. For example, I added education. And if you want this category show on your profile, simply click on display on profile. Click on OK. It takes some time. Now you can see two options, business or creator. If you are running a business, then simply click on business. And if you are content creator, influencer or artist, then click on creator. Now we click on business and click on next. Now here you need to provide some additional information like your email address and your phone number. But if you don't want to provide this information, simply click on don't use my contact info. Here is a last option where you need to connect your Instagram professional account with your Facebook page. You can see I already have a page. Now click on continue and again click on continue. Now scroll down, read term and condition and click on add page. Now you can see my page is connected with my business account. Click on simply next. Here you have 5 steps to set up your professional Instagram account. So click on first one. Here you need to provide your profile photo. Add your profile photo and click on done. You can see first step is completed. Now click on second, grow your audience. Here you need to invite someone through different platform. Here you can see second step is completed. And third step where you need to add insights or ads. Just simply click on go to insights, view insights and scroll down and go back. Done your insight ads. Now click on get inspired. Here you need to follow someone. For example, I follow to someone and click on done. Now you can see your first step is complete. Now last one, share your content. For example, I add one template and share on my story. Click on share posts and stories. Now here your Instagram professional business account is ready. This is account insights dashboard of your professional account. So thanks for watching.